Number 2, returning to heaven, becoming one with nature. 1, hands go up. Then you make a big circle, palms facing out. As your hands come to your hips, now you're going to switch and your palms are going to face forward. Bend your body, and then you scoop up chi. Hands in front of the body, about hip width apart, palms face back. And then rotate your hands so that now your palms face down. And you'll come into a gentle back bend. And what I want to highlight here is when you go into a back bend, now maybe some of you can, but you're not really bending your back. You're bringing your strength into your thighs. So lean into the thigh strength here for this back bend. And especially when we transition, because when we transition, there's a little dip. The dip is not your back bending. It's coming into the strength of your thighs, a little bend in your knees, and then you come up.